Welcome to Znky tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make Windows 11 run faster and smoother on low-end PCs. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Alright, let's get started. First, search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. A new window will open. If your computer is very weak, select the option for Best Performance. If your PC is medium powered, choose Custom and check only the options you see in this video. Then click Apply and OK. Next, open Task Manager. Here, disable programs you don't always need. These apps run automatically at startup and can slow down your system. Right-click on any unnecessary app and choose Disable. Finally, let's clean up temporary files that take up space and slow down your PC. Press Win+R, type %temp% and delete all the files. Skip the ones you can't delete. Repeat the same process, but this time type temp instead of %temp%. Do this cleanup at least once a month, since these files keep building up. Congratulations! Your Windows 11 should now feel much lighter and faster. Don't forget to share this video with friends who are struggling with slow PCs. See you in the next tutorial, and happy computing!